Welcome to this episode of Camp Kitchen Cooking King. We're here at Leisurefest. We're shooting a series of crowd pleasers at the Thetford stand. On a day like this, because it's Melbourne, I figure what we need is some chicken and corn soup. Warms you, it's beautiful, simple, and I'm so proud of myself, I get to use creamed corn. Here we go. Bit of oil, straight off the top. Lovely extra virgin olive oil. I don't know why it hasn't been able to crack onto any other olive oils, but this one extra virgin. We're going to grab a couple of spring onions and I'm going to move this, there it goes, onto the heat. In it goes. Secret ingredient, real ginger. I've got Mr. Gingery, the gingerator, and I'm going to give it a little bit. This is going to smell amazing, and people will start coming and going, I wonder what that idiot's doing over there. Oh my God, he somehow started that cooker. Quickly call the fire brigade. This is where it gets really simple. In goes the creamed corn, and I'm going to give it 2 billy cups of water. While it's thinking about bubbling up, I'm going to drop 1 chicken stock cube into the mix. Now I've gone minced chicken, here it goes. Now as you can see, I'm not just tipping it in, I'm giving it a little bit of a chance to cook. The joy of this is that you can pretty well put as much chicken in as you like. The more chickeny your chicken soup is, can't be a bad thing, can it? Even though I've put little lumps of the chicken into the pot, I'm going to break those down even more if I possibly can. We're going to separate this egg. I'm really, really bad at this. Here we go. I said I was bad at it, but I'm an expert. Expert? Get it? Here we go. Egg white in. And now the egg white is just going to like cream through it. Now all we have to do is find a couple of people to try this beautiful chicken and corn soup. And here's 3 people we prepared earlier. Chicken and corn soup. Are you ready? Now it shouldn't be too hot. Is it hot? Is it too hot? Does it taste like chicken? It does. Can I try? Yeah, you sure can. I'm going to make you one of your own. I wish I had a bigger sort of soup spoon. That's camping for you though. Try that, eh? I know what you're going to say. It's going to need salt.
It actually doesn't need salt because the flavour of the corn.
It's all right, okay.
Nice, so that's really tasty.
That's all right, isn't it?
I think it's better than what you get
in the Chinese restaurant. This chicken and corn soup is an absolute winner, especially if you're right out in the backwoods and you want that little sort of taste of little China. And as you see, 1 pot, so simple. Thank you, Thetford. Thank you, Leisurefest. This is a Camp Kitchen Cooking King signing off. Join us next time for another great, simple recipe.